Hello viewers, welcome back. We will now see the top 10 banks giving the highest interest rates for senior citizen fixed deposits. As you can see, the top 9 spots are occupied by small finance banks. Some of these banks serve in specific areas of the country, like Northeast SFB operates in, of course, Northeast. However, you can check the SFB operating in your area for your choice of booking, opening a fixed deposit, as these banks are also covered under DCOJ cover like other public sector and private sector banks. The top 6 SFB offers above 9%, which no other bank has matched till date. I have compiled these figures from the respective banks' websites on the 23rd of August 2024 and compiled the rates for your benefit. Hence, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. The only private sector bank that has made the top 10 is the RBL Bank, offering 8.6% for 500 days. The top 10 banks offer rates from 9.5% to 8.6% for fixed deposits. The top 20 list is made up of mostly private banks, a few SFBs. Only one public sector bank has made the top 20 list, which is Central Bank of India, offering 7.95% for 444 days. Interest rate in this tier range from 8.55% to 7.95%. That's the top 20 list of banks offering highest rates for fixed deposits. Remember, these rates are retail term deposits, that is, deposits below 3 crore or 2 crore or 1 crore, depending on your bank. Deposits above this value are termed as bulk deposits and carry different rates, which we will see in another video. Also, the most important point of these rates are they are callable, meaning they have premature withdrawal facility with a rate penalty. Some banks do not charge a penalty if you close it for renewal if the new tenure is higher than the residual period of the closed deposit. That's a cool information, right? To get more such info on which banks offer this facility, subscribe to my channel. Top 30 list contains some big names, including 2 of the 3 domestic systemically important banks, HDFC and ICICI, among others like Kotak Mahindra Bank, Federal Bank. PSB's Union Bank of India, IOB, Punjab and Sindh Bank and Bank of India occupy later half of the top 30 list. PSB's PNB, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, Indian Bank and Bank of Maharashtra occupy the top 40 list after South Indian Bank, City Union Bank, IDBI. Another big name, Axis Bank, comes in at 39. Karnataka Bank rounds up the top 40 list. From top to bottom, now it's time for the backbenchers. Wonder where the country's biggest bank and part of the domestic systemically important bank, that is, State Bank of India, ended up in the list? SBI comes in at number 41 on the list, occupying the bottom 4 tier. The 3 other banks in this list are Nainital Bank, UCO Bank and Jammu and Kashmir Bank. I have not included foreign banks like HSBC, Standard Chartered, etc. in this list. For availing the benefit of extra interest rate, a person has to above 60 years of age and resident Indian to be termed as individual resident senior citizen. You can also open a joint account with a senior citizen to avail the benefit, but remember, the senior citizen has to be principal of the account, that is the first holder of the account. We will now see the rates by the type of the bank. First up is public sector banks. The interest rate ranges from 7.95 to 7.55% for PSBs, with Central Bank offering 7.95% for 444 days. Thus far in the video, we have seen banks offering higher rates for 365 days or 1 year or above tenure. Not anymore. Union Bank of India is the only bank offering a higher rate of 7.9% for below 1 year tenure of 333 days or just above 11 months. Apart from that, many banks offer similar rates of 7.8% or 7.75%. Are further PSB mergers on the cards? Next up is the 21 private banks with rates ranging from 8.6% RBL Bank to 7.5%. While the tenure and rates were more similar in PSBs, it varies wildly for private banks, with the least tenure is 365 days, the tenure for availing the highest rate in HDFC Bank is 55 months. 55 months is more than 4.5 years. Yikes! We now come to the conclusion of the video with a request to subscribe the channel and like the videos. Your support goes a long way in the work put in this creation. They are called small finance banks but punch above their weights when it comes to offering higher rates to senior citizens for fixed deposits. Some SFBs offer almost 2% more than the country's biggest lender, or as in bank lingo, 190 basis points above the highest rate of SBI. SFBs are also covered under decoch insurance cover, meaning your deposits up to 5 lakhs are safe. The 5 lakhs limit is the same for SFBs, private banks and all the public sector banks. Thanks for watching. We will meet again.